Hello, friends. How are you, everyone? Hope you everyone well wherever you are. Um, I'm just going to talk about a small bit of history of the Python. Though I'm not fan of the history, but we all agree that we are a software developer or software engineering student. We don't worry about the history. While I'm saying this, I don't want to offend anyone, but this is the truth. I'm just saying that the Python was created in late 1980s by Guido van Rossum, and if you are really want to care want to create want to go in the Python development career related jobs, you can find any field. Either you go to the web development or networking side, or these days like a buzzword, artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, data science, so all this stuff, you will find Python. Especially in artificial intelligence, the Python is a must. um and even the hardware side and microcontrollers, and many more field, you the DevOps, different writing a different script and string. You need a Python, there's a two version of the Python, Python 2 and Python 3. But in these threes, what I will do, will talk about the Python 3. In 2020s, even the last year, the Python 2, there was the end of life. They are not going to release a new release anymore. Um, so I mean, if you want to know more about the Python, you can search and go to the Google or any search engines and write the history of the Pythons. You'll find plenty of stuff, So our main focus on the about the Python language, on how you can create the projects and how you can do with this language, how what we can do, So that's it pretty much. If you want to know more about the Pythons, go to Google or any search engines and write history of the Python. You'll find plenty of stuff, Okay, see you in the next video. Thanks very much. Thanks. Bye bye.